Hi everyone, I am Darlene Antonaturan and I am representing Campus Care, nurturing well-being one step at a time. Now we have all been struggling to find healthcare in the chaos of student and faculty life. We are students juggling classes, assignments, and maybe even a part-time job, or perhaps a faculty member, a working individual, balancing research, teaching, administrative duties, and in the midst of this whirlwind. Finding time for healthcare can feel like trying to catch up a breeze in a storm. We have busy schedules, transportational hurdles, and financial constraints that often stand in our way, forcing minor health concerns to simmer and bubble, eventually boiling over into academic struggles and diminished quality of life. Now, what are the solutions for these kind of problems? Now we have a mobile healthcare clinic designed to meet the unique needs of our campus. Imagine healthcare services coming directly to you, wherever you live, study, or work. Now we are here introducing a lifeline, a mobile healthcare haven crafted for our campus community. Now this isn't just any clinic, it's a holistic sanctuary offering everything from routine checkups to mental health support, equipped with the latest medical tech and staffed by compassionate professionals. Our mobile clinic aims to be a ray of sunshine in the sometimes cloudy world of healthcare access. Now, how do we market this mobile innovation? The heartbeat of demand pulses loudly within our campus community. In the chorus of voices, 80% of students actually and faculty members express a resounding need for on-campus healthcare services. National health surveys add their voice to the melody, highlighting a growing trend towards seeking convenient and affordable healthcare options, especially among the youthful demographic. These numbers paint a vivid picture of the burgeoning demand for our mobile healthcare clinic, signaling a chorus of hope for better access to care. Now, what is our product? Our product is a sanctuary on wheels, where healing meets innovation. Our mobile clinic isn't just about treating symptoms. It's about nurturing well-being from preventative care to acute treatments. We've got you covered. Imagine stepping into a space where technology seamlessly supports personalized care, where your health records are just a click away, and where telemedicine brings a doctor to you. Our clinic isn't just a service. It's a promise of comprehensive, compassionate care for every member of our campus community. Now we are here navigating the seas of sustainability with service at our campus. Our journey begins with forging partnerships with the university, local healthcare providers, insurers, and community organizations. Together, we will chart a course towards financial stability, leveraging resources and infrastructure to reach as many people as possible. But our voyage doesn't end. Marketing campaigns will spread the word, igniting excitement and anticipation for the arrival of our mobile clinic. Together, we will navigate the waves, ensuring our service is accessible to all who need it. Now, our stories of success echo from campuses far and wide, where mobile clinics have transformed healthcare access and improved well-being. Take Mapua University, or ABC University for example, where emergency room visits dropped and student retention rates rose after the introduction of a mobile health clinic. These tales of triumph inspire us, showing that our vision is more than just a dream. It's a reality waiting to be realized. Now I am introducing our team that isn't just a collection of resumes. We are a family united by a common goal, from experienced clinicians to savvy entrepreneurs. We bring a diverse range of skills and perspectives to the table. But more than that, we bring a heart, a passion for making healthcare accessible to all. Together, we're not just building a clinic, we're building a community of care. Of course, the whispers of excitement are growing louder, spreading like wildfire through the halls of academia, from university leaders to student groups, from local officials to media outlets. The buzz is palpable. Our innovative approach to campus healthcare has struck a chord, capturing hearts and minds alike. With each endorsement and accolade, we're one step closer to our goal, a healthier, happier campus for all. Take a break, a mental health awareness initiative. This is improved mental health can lead to increased productivity and success at work, school, and in personal relationships. These can have a positive impact on individuals and the broader community. Thank you for listening. This is Darlene Antoinette Duran, presenting Campus Care, nurturing well-being one step at a time.